action.
My name is Caleb Arshman. I'm going over the bandsaw. For safety, you need to make sure you're wearing pants, probably some closed-toed shoes, and safety glasses. So we have to change the blade on this machine, and to do that, you're gonna come over here, take off these two panels to get access to the blade. First, you have to take off these guards. Make sure not to lose these. You can also tighten this up where it's out of your way. Next, you have to come up here to the tensioner knob. Go ahead and loosen it up. Take off the blade. Slide that in. Put on the new blade, you do the same thing, but just backwards. Make sure to tighten it up. And put the guards back on. And make sure the guards stay on, so if the blade does break, it does not come and hurt you or someone nearby. And while you're doing this, make sure it is unplugged so it does not turn on. Once you're done with that, and make sure it's tight, it will not move while you're cutting, unless you want to bend your blade. Loosen that back up so it can take all the debris off the blade while it's running. Close these back up. And then while you want to use it, you want to make sure it's plugged in, or else it won't work. To turn it on, here's the green button. That's the start button. That's emergency stop. Speed knob. So when you let it down, it will change speeds. To change the angle of cut, you come over here. And loosen this thing. And then this is able to rotate, and you can pick out your degree there. and then make sure you tighten it back up. When you're using this, you're gonna make sure your metal is securely viced down. And if you have long pieces of metal, you can use a roller to support the long end. So to start it, you never want to start the machine when the blade is touching the metal. So you start running it down. And you're going to make it go as slow as possible. This machine, it has an automatic shut off, so when the blade gets all the way down, this goes up and shuts it off. Bring your metal back up, make sure it's closed. The edge you just cut, it has sharp burrs, so you don't want to mess with that. And you can unclamp your metal when you have your cut. That's all about this. And then we also have a portable bandsaw. It's battery powered. Make sure you have a charged battery. Put it on there. Turn it off, lock, and it'll go. Before you use that, you also want to make sure you have a vise. The vise is on the metal that you're cutting. And this one, you can use gloves just to be more safe. With this one, you want to make sure you have this back guard down where it will catch your metal. Make sure the battery's unplugged so you do not hurt your hand. Cut your hand. Battery back in, unlock it. Like that, big one. This is gonna be sharp, so you don't want to touch the end without pliers. The advantages and disadvantages of the bandsaw: it cuts smoother and usually straighter, but it is a slower cut. Thank you.